So hey guys, I want to do a quick little video to talk about the tint. I just realized I haven't told you guys the tint job that I had done, and I'm getting a lot of comments about it, asking me like what tint it is and all that. So I'm going to go through it and show you guys here. I'll show you an outside picture after this so you can get a better idea. So I actually on the sides I did a 35%. It's a whole wrap here, so the whole sides, the 6 windows are 35%, and I use Suntek film, CXP. It's a carbon film. I like it. I like how it looks. It has a black tint to it because some have like a brownish tint. This one's a pure black tint, so it's nice. And I did the 15% on the rear. So even though it looks like the back's darker here than the front, it's just because, you know, you have the light coming in the front window, whereas the back is tinted, so it's going to look darker, but it is 35% all the way around. And then this back window is 15%. And I was always told to go darker on the back since it's a huge window, and then B, the angle. See how it lays down more, lets more light in, so you definitely want to go darker, else the sides will look even lighter. So I think it ties it together really nicely. I like it. I've had this on my other car and it looks really nice. It's not too dark, but it does cut out a lot of heat. So I like that a lot. So it's the 15% on the rear here and then a 35% wrap. And it's Suntek film, their carbon version. And I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. And again, it's inside the garage here, so it's going to look a little different, but get an idea. It doesn't look dark at all if you compare it to the front window. Does it make it hard to drive at night or anything like that? Even the back window being 15%, but you can tell it's doesn't even look that much darker just because the window's so big. So I want to share that with you guys. You know, it's the first thing I did to the car, but I never even made a video on it. But it's the first thing I think everyone should do. It makes it look more aggressive, and it definitely protects it inside. So here, let me show you guys outside now. A little walk around. Okay, so here it is. You can get an idea here. You can see the side doesn't look that dark at all. And the back, depending on the way you look at it too. I mean, that looks almost like limo, but then when you see light coming through, it's not that bad. And then you can see the sides here, how the back looks a little darker. That's only because the back window is blocking more light than the front, of course, has nothing on it. But I like it. I like how it's not too dark. I think it looks a little classier like that. But like I said, it definitely blocks a lot of the heat, and it does get pretty warm here. Okay, and here's this side here. So overall, I like it. And like I said, it's very useful too. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Since I'm getting a lot of questions, I thought I would do a video. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll talk to you guys later.